All right, tomorrow, as I said on your benchmark, you're going to see very similar questions. Tomorrow's benchmark will be 1 point. You'll take it first thing right when you come in, and I will probably get those back to you on Monday. But I'll be giving you a ranking on how I feel here. A 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Use today. Use this right now to determine what you need to do. This video, I hope, will be ready for you by the time you get home. I had a little trouble with the last one. I couldn't get it loaded up properly in YouTube, but hopefully that problem will be fixed by the time we're done today. So this first question says, Pam is playing darts. She hit the bullseye 7 times out of 20 throws. Now, you guys had a problem just like this in your book assignment today, right? It says, what's the experimental probability that Pam will hit the bullseye on her next throw? Well, she's made 7 out of how many? 20. So we could say that's a grand total of 7 out of 20. Or if we wanted to, we could say that's a grand total of 35 out of 100. And what's 35 out of 100 mean? 35%. Very good.
That's the answer.
Either one of those. This or this would work. Fine. Okay? Now notice the difference from today's quiz, homework quiz, and this. Do you see the word likely in here?
No.
Does it say how likely? When you see the word likely, that's when we know we need to use this. Okay? If we don't see the word likely, then we either need to come up with a fraction or we need to come up with a percent. And sometimes they're very specific and say, please show me the percent. Please show me the fraction in simplest form. That away, please. Yeah? What's that? No. They're saying on her next throw. What's her chance on the next throw? So we'd use the information. That's what experimental probability is. It's looking at what have they done in the past to determine what's going to happen in the future. Okay? Same thing here. Ethan hits 4 ringers in 10 attempts while pitching horseshoes. What does an experimental probability of 2/5 describe? Yeah. So what does 2/5 actually describe? Okay. So 2/5 describes what his chances are of throwing a ringer, right? So I want to just show everybody this. This is how they say probability, the fancy way. If you noticed in your book or any videos, they show you like this. That means the probability. So it's the probability of throwing a ringer. And to be more specific, it's Ethan's probability of throwing a ringer. Does that make sense? His next throw, he has a 2 out of 5 chance, or 40% chance of hitting a ringer, based on the past performance. Okay? Yes? Yeah, that's what it means. That's exactly what it means. Okay? So all they're doing right now is they're just trying to say, what does this 2/5 actually describe? And those answers are perfectly fine. As long as you say that, his chance of, or the chance that he would have of throwing a ringer, or anything to do with the ringer, quickly. Sure. Yeah. Most likely tomorrow you're going to have to do something like this, just so everybody knows. Okay? This one just made you think a little bit more about it. Okay? So you should have an idea of where you're at with experimental probability. We'll take